Today we're doing a keto macaroni that's gluten-free, and it's just like regular macaroni. Hi guys, I'm Mel and welcome to my channel where we're currently doing a series on keto pasta. So we've completed our first video in the series, and that is keto macaroni using lupin flour and vital wheat gluten. I love those two combinations because the pasta holds its shape so well and performs really well through a machine. So the second video in our keto pasta series was supposed to be keto orzo pasta. However, due to a lot of requests, we have decided to do a keto macaroni pasta that is gluten-free next. We've got lots more keto pasta recipes coming up, the next one being keto orzo. So make sure you're subscribed and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out. So with all that said and done, this gluten-free, zero net carb, keto macaroni pasta isn't gonna make itself. Let's get into the recipe now. To a bowl, add 60 grams of almond flour and 60 grams of coconut flour. And here are our two binding agents. We're using 1 teaspoon of gelatin and 2 teaspoons of xanthan gum, 1/4 teaspoon of salt for flavor, and we're just going to combine these dry ingredients. If you want your pasta to be a bit more yellow, you can add a pinch of turmeric powder. And lastly, crack in 2 eggs. Now we're going to mix this until it's fully combined. I've kneaded my dough until it's all come together, and I'm not sure if you can see, but there's still some white flecks in there from the coconut flour. And now I'm going to knead this on my bench top to try and minimize that, because to me that means it's not fully kneaded. I've kneaded the dough for about a minute and it's brought out the oils from the almond flour and has a gloss to it, but it is still not a very sticky dough and it should be quite firm. Now you're going to separate out your dough so you can feed through the machine. Grease and line a baking tray. As your keto macaroni is extruding, spread it out onto your lined baking tray. Turn your oven on to real low. I had mine set at 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to have the fan going. Now bake your keto macaroni for 1 hour. And this is what your pasta looks like when it's finished baking in the oven. It's hard. In conclusion, you can have a keto macaroni, especially if you're gluten intolerant or you love eating gluten-free. I'm so happy to provide the solution for you. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.